If you need to rotate a selection in Photoshop, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest way to rotate just the selected area without affecting the rest of your image. This is super useful when you want to straighten an object, adjust a cutout, or fine-tune part of a design. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy Photoshop tips and tricks. Let's jump in. First, you need to make your selection. You can use any selection tool that fits your project. For example, you can use the lasso tool with the L key, the marquee tool with the M key, or the object selection tool with the W key. Just click and drag or trace around the area you want to rotate. When your selection is active, you'll see the animated marching ants border around it. That border tells you Photoshop knows exactly which area you're working with. Once your selection is ready, the next step is to activate Free Transform. This is the tool that lets you transform the pixels inside your selection. To do that, go up to the top menu bar, click Edit, and then choose Free Transform. If you like keyboard shortcuts, you can press Ctrl and T on Windows or Command and T on Mac. As soon as you do that, you should see a transform bounding box appear around your selected area with small square handles on the corners and edges. Now comes the rotation step. Move your cursor just outside one of the four corner handles of the bounding box. When you hover in the right spot, your cursor will change into a curved double-sided arrow, which means you're ready to rotate. Click and hold your mouse, then drag left or right to turn the selection to the angle you want. Take your time here and watch the position carefully so you can line everything up exactly the way you want. If you want cleaner, more controlled rotation, here's a really helpful pro tip. Hold down the Shift key while dragging and Photoshop will snap the rotation into 15-degree increments. That makes it much easier to rotate to common angles like 45 degrees or 90 degrees without guessing. It's a great trick when you want precision and speed at the same time. After you've rotated the selection to the right angle, you still need to apply the change. To do that, press Enter on Windows or Return on Mac. You can also click the checkmark icon in the top options bar to confirm it. Once you commit the transformation, the rotation is locked in and your selected area will stay at that new angle. And that's it. That's how to rotate a selection in Photoshop in just a few simple steps. Select the area, open Free Transform, rotate with the corner handle, and then commit the change. Once you get comfortable with this, it becomes one of those Photoshop basics that saves you a ton of time on almost every project. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Photoshop tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.